Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I want to share with you some quickie pumpkin ice cream, and you will love it. It's simple, quick, and tasty. So, let's begin with our ice cream. And so, we have some cooked pumpkins here. I'm going to leave the quantity, measurement, everything in the description box. We are going to use some eggs. Make sure you use your eggs from the fridge or room temperature eggs. We are going to make use of some butter, vanilla flavor, some cheese, and sweetness. This is very quick, just like our Fun ice cream, eh? If you have not watched that video, go and watch. Just like Fun Ice, that video, watch it and give it a try. You are going to enjoy it. And so we are going to crack all our eggs. That is 5 eggs, and then we are going to add it to the pumpkin. The pumpkin, we have already cooked it. I cooked the pumpkin with salt, and so you can also cook it with salt, or you can decide not to cook it with salt, but when you are doing your ice cream, you add salt to it. And I'm also going to add my butter. The butter that I'm using is salted butter. And so that is 1 cup of it, salted butter. And we're also going to add it to it. Then I'll add my cheese also. So everything is going into the blender. This is very simple. As I said, it's just like our fun ice cream that we did. And so go and watch that video and you will love it. The taste is just like fun ice. We are adding our sweetness to it and our vanilla also to it. Then we are going to blend everything together. Very smooth. You have to make sure that you blend it to be very smooth, because the butter, because it's straight from the fridge and we didn't melt it, sometimes when you blend it you get some chunks, small chunks on the surface. And so you have to make sure that you blend it very well so that you get everything smooth. I'm adding a bit of salt to it because I tasted and the salt wasn't okay for me, it wasn't enough, so just a little. And I'm adding extra more sweetener to it. I want it very sweet. So as for the sweetness and the salt, the taste depends on you. And so make sure, as I said, you blend for everything to be very smooth. Get it very smooth. So this is it. We are done and we are pouring it into our ice cream bowl, and then we are going to keep this in the fridge or the freezer. Yes, the freezer, and let it freeze. You can do this overnight, but I left this in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours, and then that is it. So our ice cream is ready. The tastes, you need to try it to testify. And so you are going to scoop some into our bowl and enjoy it. This ice cream, you enjoy it. The taste is so great. And so because I left it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or 3 hours, I didn't get the down parts well caked the way I want. So you can do yours overnight or leave it in the fridge a bit more, then you can get everything well caked. But hey, it's still awesome. My ice cream, pumpkin ice cream. One thing I love on keto diet when it comes to pumpkin is you can use it for a lot of recipes. So this is our pumpkin. I'm sprinkling some nuts on it, walnuts and almond nuts on it. You can use any nut of your choice. You can even add some seeds also to it. This is simple, quick, and tasty. Give this a try and you are not going to regret. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Watch out for another awesome recipe. Bye bye.